Hello, hello, hello. Everything is working right. So let's start for the day. We are on the day 8. First of all, let me introduce myself. Hello, everyone. I am Harsh, the founder of Bikonik, and we help businesses to you implement AI in their business to reduce cost, improve their time efficiency, and increase revenue. Okay, so that's the major use cases of the AI, and we are doing 30-day live series in which we are just learning about how to use AI in the daily life and like complete all these three use cases like increasing the revenue, improving our time efficiency, and reducing the cost on the major things. Okay, so we are on the day 8 and we are going to learn about how to use AI for your content, as doing research on daily basis on the competitors, on the new info, and every single thing needs one complete employee to do all that stuff. But AI can do every single that thing for you. And yeah, let's start the day. So here is my screen. Here is the notes. Okay, good to go. Right. So how to use AI for content ideas. Never start from a blank page. Audience, problems, pillars, and formats. These are the four things that we will going to use to create our content. Content ideas may differ. It should be a reel, it can be a short, it can be a carousel, it can be a like tweet or written post. Okay, we will going to create that. So why content ideas fails? Random ideas do not build trust. No, if the audience is not relating to you, then it's just like you're just putting out the content which is not likable or or people don't want it. Okay, as I am recording these live streams and the videos that we are putting on this channel is for the business owners and the AI enthusiasts who want to learn AI and to implement AI so that they don't want to fall back from the whole world. Okay, so that is the real content that we are putting out, and it's uh, the need of the hour, okay, which is needed to learn and implement AI in the most practical way, not AI fluff like daily checking the news for a new AI tools and etc. So this is the thing that we are doing and which is required. And so as same as that, you have to understand that you have to put the content out which is useful for the for your audience, some pain point, some promise, or some format. Okay, so if the audience is no interested, so then your content will going to fail. No pain point, no promise, no format. So you have to so the content brief should look like audience, pain, promise, format. Like you have to you should understand which type of audience you're going to cater, demographics, gender, and like what type of the mentality they have, what type of thoughts, and what type of content, what type of like whatever the thing they have in the common, that is the audience, what is the pain point they are facing. Like as I am recording this, my business owners is my uh, like main audience, and the pain point is that they want to use AI and implement AI in their businesses, but they don't know where to start, and they are just like confused because of there is a lot of content on AI in the on the YouTube and all social media, and it's not completely showcasing them how to use AI in the step by step in the proper way. And there is nothing promise, and I am like there is no promise how the pain point getting will get solved by watching your content. By watching my content, you will get to know how to use AI in the most practical way without the extra fluff of every single day. And I am going live so that if anybody want to ask questions, then it can ask from me on the live stream, right? So content should solve a real problem. That's what I'm doing right now. Okay. So you have to understand that your audience, you should clarify your audience, which type of audience you're catering, their pain point, and what is the promise that you're doing, which is catering their pain point, and which type of format that you're using, which is useful for the audience also. Like these live streams will go as a long form videos also, so it will long live on the YouTube, and I will cut it out like a lot of short videos from it also. So that will also work. First, step one, start with audience problems. AI needs real, that's that, right? AI needs a real problem, not generic topics. Who are they? What hurts? What do they want? What do they understand? Like, who are they means like what is the demographics, where they live, the country, the gender, the likely content, likely uh, topics, whatever they have the things in the common. That is the type. That is the audience. What hurt? What is the thing that is the pain point of them? What do they want? Do they want to solve the problem? Do they want to uh, solve in a particular way? What do they want? What do they misunderstand? Like, what is their preconceived notions and what is the reality? The preconceived notions of the business owner is just AI is like something like it won't going to replace them. It's just a new kind of technology which will like move out after some time. And they also just have some fear that AI somehow may replace us, whatever. Like, they have a lot of confusion. This is a misunderstanding uh, in the business owners about AI. So that is what I am solving here. Okay. So all these things we're going to give you the content ideas in the proper way. So in my I would request you that you should write all these things. It will help you further in the trainings. Okay. Step 2, build content pillars. Like, educate, show proof, share opinion, sell softly. Okay. Like, there is two type of mainly content. First is entertainment, and second is education. You can also mix the education plus entertainment. Okay. So there is mainly two type of content. The purpose of the entertainment content is just to get consumed. Like, if a movie is get made, it's not made to like, if you watch a movie and then you're going to purchase some product or service. That's not the purpose. The purpose of the movie is just to get watched. So that is the whole purpose of the entertainment content is just to get consumed, but the purpose of education content is to get consumed and get a CT after that. Like, any action should be done by the audience. Okay. So you have to create the content with that thing in your mind. So you have to educate, you have to show proof that you have done these things. As I am doing that, I have created over 50 million plus views for my clients in my past agency, and I got featured in USA News and CEO Times. So these are the things that I have in my proof. And further on, I am also working with businesses and use and helping them uh, to use AI, building workflows for them and saving their time, cost, reducing their cost and increasing their revenue. Okay. So what is the opinion? That's all my whatever the content I am building out, it is my opinion that how we should use the AI. This is the practical and the like most cost effective ways. Like, if you're just using Codex Claude just for like asking questions and the artifacts which nobody is going to use, but it's giving you the like the dopamine that you have created something, that's the completely waste of time. Here we are just learning about how to use AI, which is time efficient, which is cost efficient, and which is revenue increasing way. Okay, so sell softly. If everything goes good, then we can pitch whatever the service that we are selling. Okay, whatever the service, product, whatever we are selling. So this is the content pillars. Okay, one audience, many angles, right? Next, step 3, turn ideas into hooks. How like, because of the attention span which is very less in this new era, then we have to create something great that it should like, visually and like in the hearing should look uh, like impressing. If the content won't look like good in 3 seconds, then the audience will going to get skipped because they have a lot of options to watch. They don't owe you something to watch you. Okay, so you have to create the hook in the best way, like in the visually appealing and the sound appealing. Okay, so mistake. What are the mistake you are doing? Like, for example, that if I am building the content for you like for using ChatGPT for creating presentations. Okay, so like how should I hook the audience? Like, I would say if you're using PowerPoint still to create a PPT, then you are already behind. So this is the hook. Okay. Then I will going to proceed with my content and giving the idea of creating the PPTs or presentations with the uh, chat GPT. So that is how I used it to create the hook. Second is how to hook. If you don't know how to use chat GPT to create PPT, here is how step by step. So this is the how to hook. There is the checklist. These are the all steps that you can follow to create a great power presentation with chat GPT. So this is the checklist hook. So here is the story. I was with a client yesterday, and he told me that I should create a presentation for the complete uh, plan, and it just took me 5 minutes. And should I tell you how? So this is the story hook. What is the comparison? Normal PPT with PowerPoint will take you like a few days and few weeks also, but ChatGPT will going to take it like 5 minutes. So this is the comparison hook. So these are the type of hooks that you can use to create the content. Okay, format makes the ideas easier to consume. Repurpose one idea. One useful idea can become five posts. You can create all different hooks with the same content, just to change the hook and repost. And you can also repurpose the whole thing: short video, carousel, tweet, email, live topic. Okay, just like I am recording this live, I will going to like create short videos out of it, create emails out of it, create tweets out of it, create carousels out of it. So I made I am just spending like 20-30 minutes in building this, but it will going to be repurposed as different content pieces, and it will go out and it will like create a lot of audience for me. Okay, so that's how we are building content. Do not create every single thing from zero, because you can repurpose. Maybe some people will going to see this live, maybe some not, but some people may consume the short videos, some people may consume the carousel, some people may consume the tweet, whatever they can consume. But at last my purpose is done, that the real audience is consuming my stuff. That's all. That's the main purpose that should be completed. Score the ideas. Do not post every single AI idea. Okay, AI can give you multiple ideas, and you can like score which is good. Like people already have the instinct that which idea will get viral. Okay, so you can ask AI to get you different ideas, and then you can rank them and use them to create the content. Next, live demo. What is your audience pain? Like are these things that you're going to write, who they are, what hurts, what do they want, what they misunderstand. Okay, after listening all these things, you will going to give that with the AI content prompt, and you will get the three best ideas right now. Okay, so for myself, I have created this. So this is the content part. This is the audience pain that I have, and here is the complete prompt. If you want this comment AI prompt, I will send you the reply. Okay, so let's put this out in the AI, and let's see how AI will going to convert it in the real way. Let me open my chat GPT. Here is my prompt, and here is the problem. Okay, sent. And here is the 20 practical AI content ideas that I can use right now. Usefulness. Here is a complete like scoring, or scoring also in the table here. Okay, possibly it's not visible clearly. May- I'm still not able to zoom it out. So these are the 20 ideas, and here is the top three. Uh, Turn messy meetings into action notes, and stop asking AI to write an email. And most businesses don't need more AI tools. as per me, this one is the most better because the few reasons is it's broad, and it just like anyone can click on it and like watch. Okay, so this is the ideas. So I will going to give you the prompt. Enjoy that and create awesome content for your business with AI. And if you want any help to implement AI in your businesses, you can just go below in the description, and there is a complete link of the Bikonik. Let me showcase you. Here we go. And you can book a direct call with me and my team, and we will going to connect with you, and we'll create a great systems for you which will help you to save your time, increase your reduce your cost, and increase your revenue. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely rest of the day.